Hello, I'm attorney Juan Sanchez. Thank you for watching. In the next few minutes, you'll see a video of a client I was able to help. I hope you find it useful. If you need more information, please click the link.
My name's John. I hurt my shoulder at work. I was working and pulled the rotator cuff, tore it in my shoulder, trying to do some heavy lifting overhead. I was just told that I needed to speak with, maybe speak with someone about my injury. When it first happened, I didn't think it was that serious of an injury. I didn't know, it just hurting when I would push up against a board or something with my shoulder up high. And I was just referred to this group to maybe talk to someone to see if I needed to go any further with it. And I'm glad I did. Yes. I had a buddy who worked with these guys and told me that this was a place that I could probably call and speak with someone. So I reached out and just to sit down and talk to somebody to see if it would be something that I would need to do. Yes, he made a lot of calls and got deeper into the company that I could get and got answers from me that I wasn't receiving from my company through the injury. They weren't reaching out to me and going over the process, but he was reaching out to me. Him and his assistant were reaching out to me and letting me know where we stood and what was going on in the process. I felt good about the communication. I wasn't having communication with my job. I was really happy with communication I was getting from Juan and the guys here. His assistant and him were really good about calling me, keeping me up with the when the process happened that I needed to do the strengthening test. Juan was the one who pretty much sent all the information and got that approved over what my company was doing for me. So I was very happy with that. Well, it doesn't cost anything to talk to somebody to start with, and plus you don't know if you get hurt at work. My thought was they're gonna take care of me. All I have to do is turn in my doctor's notes and so forth, keep up with the company. But in the process, sometimes you need someone who knows more about it than you do. Because for me, I didn't know anything about it. I just knew that I got hurt and when was I would get back to work. But I didn't know the process of through the offices, through the doctor's notes, through everything. I didn't know the process, how it went. But it's good to talk to somebody because they can lead you in the right direction. You may not need help, or you may need to sit down with someone, but if you sit down with them, then it can't hurt. That's what my note would be to someone else, is to talk to somebody, and that way it may help you out a lot. Yes, I'm definitely satisfied just because of the way that they took care of me, the way that they kept me in the loop, the way he called or had his assistant call. Coming in here, sitting down with him, having one-on-one conversation. He was always real with me. He was always upfront with me, told me what I needed to focus on getting my arm back to doing the right things and not doing the wrong things, but helping me through it, which made me feel a lot more comfortable. I didn't feel like just a business person. I would walk into his office, we'd sit down and we'd talk. It wasn't like reading off a piece of paper. He would talk to me about jobs. We'd talk about different things besides just work, which eases the situation and makes it a lot more comfortable. So that, in that business sense, I would say I would definitely recommend Juan for any case like this with people that I may work with or that I come across through my jobs. No, just like I say, I'm very happy with what Juan did for me, and I'm very glad that I was referred to you guys to actually sit down and talk to somebody, because I would not have known if I didn't. So I'm just glad that I got the help that I did, because I wouldn't have got anywhere and may not even have got to go back to my job at all, period, if not be for Juan and the law firm. So I just want to say thank you very much for helping me and walking me through the process of this injury, through the healing, through the helping of my shoulder getting better and moving forward with working in the future. So thank you very much.